Hey everyone, and welcome back to our monthly series where we round up our most popular animations for the month. If you want to get inspired for your next design or want to follow the trends, you've come to the right place. These are the most incredible designs, so if you want to check them out, we've listed them all down in the description below. Comment down below your favorite design and be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy. Without further ado, let's get right into the video.
First up, we have an account menu concept. This animation shows how micro-interaction can elevate a seemingly simple UI component. The animation sequence gracefully interacts with menu options without disrupting context. We like the playful hand cursor and the option to change color, as this offers some great customization for the user. Next is another set of micro-animations, this time for a simple card design. This design has a nice cohesive color scheme and overall brand feel. We like the added shadow effect on the transaction tracker, which adds depth. Overall, these animations don't take away from the design, but rather add to it.
Just a quick note guys, if you're enjoying the video so far, make sure to subscribe because we have a lot of new content coming out soon.
Here we have a dashboard interface designed for global time tracking. We are loving the subtle addition of a glassmorphic tile in the bottom corner, which creates variety in the design. The panning video view of the time zone location is a nice touch as well. Moving on, the property comparison flow presents dual listing insights in a manner that supports fast decision making. The transitions between interactive elements and menus are clean and smooth. Interactive elements like toggles and highlights clearly indicate the different states. Now, this is a subscription tracking concept that makes financial oversight feel like a daily habit. There is a nice dark theme with gray going on in this app. The color use is functional yet restrained, and depending on the app and logo, there is a slight tint to the card. Super nice touch. Next up is this animated mobile UI where the user can bid on artistic NFTs. The transition between each screen feels fluid. It's a really great example of simple fade-in text animations and image scrolls that can improve the perceived performance without sacrificing utility. Here we see a live design system preview scroll through. This design is super clean with everything from the logo and brand identity to icon sets and typography laid out in a neat way. There are subtle animations on certain components, but nothing that would take away from the simple and clean design. What do you think of this one? And now, this is a fintech product design app animation. There is a strong dark theme here with nearly glowing blue and purple accents, truly playing into the futuristic and high-tech feel of this app. The navigation within the app includes scrolling and swiping and is very well done. We love the rotating views of the mockup, which is a premium touch. This resort concept uses spacious layout and serene visual cues to communicate calm before any content is read. The interface hierarchy is clean, the hero imagery gives way to value propositions and amenities, and the subtle scroll transitions and generous white space support a restful digital journey. Next, this mobile finance UI balances data density with accessibility. Investment dashboards, wallet balances, and transactions are separated into modular cards with clear typographic hierarchy. The motion between the screens is clean with the cool panning mockup shots. Here we have a minimal website design for an interior design company. The ample white space and clean large serif font for titles matches the luxurious aesthetic. Responsive behavior appears seamless, ensuring that layout decisions feel intentional across breakpoints. Moving on, this onboarding animation has a great use of 3D visuals. The way each item appears and moves feels very real and absolutely invites users to continue the onboarding process. We love the way the lamp shines a shadow on the wall, making the physics of the animation feel real. This is a landing page that uses scroll-triggered motion to sustain engagement. The experience feels scaffolded. Each section builds on the last with clear visual rhythm and interaction cues that signal the next step. We really love the orange color used throughout this design. It's great for call to actions and highlighting important information as well. Here we see a financial app UX focused on frictionless withdrawal flows. We are loving the dark theme here with a nice gradient that adds color and diversity to the design. The important information is organized in cards, ensuring it's all digestible. Next up, this concept is the main page of an energy drink company. This animation uses a scroll feature to showcase a rotating can. We love the overall retro and strong colors to capture attention, and the rest of the homepage is simple as to not take away from the animation itself. And finally, this interface for a language learning app expands on engagement through characterful motion and progressive interaction design. The interactive animations, such as button pressing and scrolling, are all done very well, and the strong use of feedback and pacing elevate the experience. Would you use this app? Here we have an AI-driven automation platform UI that demonstrates clarity in complexity. Intelligent tooling interfaces really risk overwhelming users, but this website organizes information well. There's a nice balance between the dark, futuristic aesthetic with a clean, readable layout. The 3D elements and motion design emphasize the living nature of this intelligent software. Next, this animation for a trading platform frames exploration through a clean, card-driven experience. This shot showcases the Explorer flow with token search, market stats, and chart previews in a clean, dark UI layout. Motion highlights key interactions and improves the navigation clarity, making the interface feel very smooth and responsive. Here we have a homepage for an AI website animation. We love the 3D robot with blinking lights that fits very well into the robotic intelligence aspect of this company. It absolutely grabs attention right away while not distracting from the rest of the website. Animated reveals, scroll triggers, and layered transitions make this site feel alive. Moving on, this smart home concept uses visual storytelling to communicate complex automation flows. The minimal layout, strong product hierarchy, and neutral tones combine with a bold orange accent color to communicate trust, intelligence, and premium control. We especially like the footer with the large brand name, which are very trendy these days. Now, this is a nice onboarding concept for a food scanning system. Each element has a smooth transition, and it's great that this animation features both a light and dark mode as it gives users the option based on their preferences. Here we see a pitch deck UI that uses animation to reinforce narrative pacing. Each slide builds on the last with smooth transitions, visually tying together the value propositions with the outcomes. There's a great brand cohesion here with the use of gradients and a similar color scheme on each slide as well. Next up, this is a chess website animation. There's a unique hover animation on the hero section, which draws the user into the site. We love the 3D card visuals emerging from the mockup, and the entire user experience of the site is well thought through. And finally, this HR landing page prioritizes clarity in communication flows. Large headings, consistent grid structure, and logical CTA placement guides users effortlessly throughout the site. We like the rotating circle animation on the hero section as well. This is truly a clean, data-heavy yet readable interface that builds trust through transparency and modern aesthetics. That's it for this week, everyone. We hope you enjoyed this video. And now we want to hear from you. Don't forget to leave your favorite animation in the comments below. Make sure to click that notification bell and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. We post every single Monday. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next week.